Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. So I'll do an EDC update, so I'll just get straight into it. Phone is still the Huawei P6, which is looking mankin. Needs a cleaning, but that's what happens when you carry stuff. Flashlight. Still got the Nightcore, the HC33, which has been awesome. I think I've had it for about 3 months now. Haven't had any issues with it yet. Only issue I don't really like about it is the magnetic bottom. On the Army Tech I could have taken that out, but this one it's fixed. Not really a huge issue, but I'm just not a big fan of the magnetic bottoms. Keychain. Changed a bit, I've downsized a lot. I got the ferrocerium rod. Got the 511 rescue tool and that carbide tip, which leaves absolutely beautiful scratches in car paintwork. Got the Uncle Bill Silver Gripper still, had that for years, never lost it yet. And the i1R2 EOS Olight. I've still got the jammed up there. That thingamajigger and the Maxpedition Keeper, which I've probably had a good 10 plus years. I think the Velcro on it's finally starting to go, not as strong as it used to be. But anyway, bandana, one of the most useful things. Got a Japanese cat one. I've had this for about 3 years. Haven't carried it much, so I'm going to start carrying it a bit more. I like Japan, I like cats, so 2 birds with 1 stone right there. Printed in Hiroshima. All good. So that's the bandana. Multi-tool. Goober M600. I think this was my first ever proper multi-tool. I've had this for about 10 plus years as well. In fact, pretty much everything's wool. Apart from the wallet, brand new one. I've actually had it for about 3 weeks now. It's a Chinese knockoff of a Triovax. Unlike the Triovax though, this is actually worth the money. So far I like it, very minimalistic. I've just got the top snap knife with some fish hooks and a seal needle. And besides that, that's all you can really fit in here, besides obviously cards. I kind of like the old one better because I can get more in it, and I kind of like having a little survival kit in the wallet. So I might go back to that, but for now I do like this. I've had it for 3 weeks, like I say, can't fault it. Works as it should. Got some hand sanitizer, nothing to do with COVID, I'm just a bit of a germaphobe, always have been. Still got the Wee Knives titanium whistle. Homemade coin pouch with coins in it. Still got the Hua Octavia watch. Don't know why I said still, because I'm never going to get rid of that. I have got a new knife as well. New Higo Nakami. This one's a little bit smaller, sort of mid-size. So that's my old one. Besides that, it's identical to the big one, or every other Higo Nakami. Handmade. Awesome knives. And that is that for my personal EDC. As far as the bags go, I don't think anything's really changed since the last video that I showed them in. Got the Romanian bread bag. And if I'm not going to be using that, then I'm going to be using the more modern 511. I forgot what model that is actually. 35 litre one. It's the I forgot what it is. It's not the Igniter or the Inferno. Well, whatever. So in here I've just got marker pens. Well, one marker pen and one normal pen. The butane lighter, notepad, and a spare battery for the flashlight, and whatever else is what I'm doing for that day. I had to prove I've got right to work in the UK recently, so I've got my old birth certificate and a card with the national insurance number on it. And besides that, the contents of the bags pretty much change all the time depending on what I'm doing. The only thing that's set in stone is I'll either have a canteen or a water bottle. And if I'm using the canteen, I'll have the Dutch Army one, which I haven't got to hand, or that Nalgene one, and a first aid kit. And this is just a general purpose one. So in here I've got the tick keys. And I've got a Israeli field dressing in the wrap, a wound dressing that I use with this, and just some burn shields of different sizes because I'm always playing with fire. Got some Savlon antiseptic cream, and then here's just the general stuff: band-aids, antiseptic wipes, adhesive pads. And that's that. That's my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching.